Hi mga foodies! So welcome again to another delicious baking demo with me, Chef Randy Oliva from San Miguel Foods Culinary Center. And today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng isa pang twist sa inyong mga traditional chocolate chip cookie. By the way, our recipe is entitled Chewy Chocolate Chip Cookies. So ang ating magic ingredient for this recipe is ang ating Queens of Wheat Flour. So itong nakikita nyo ngayon sa likuran ko. Okay? So alam ko, excited na kayong gumawa ng inyong mga cookies, so let's start! So first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line 2 baking sheets with wax or parchment paper, then set it aside. In a bowl, combine salt, baking soda, your Emperor's Best baking powder, and your Queen's of Wheat flour. Set it aside. In another bowl, beat together your Magnolia Gold Butter Unsalted, sugars, honey, vanilla, and coffee until smooth. Add in your Magnolia Brown Egg and vinegar. Adding a little vinegar to the dough helps cut the sweetness from the sugars, chocolate, plus it reacts with the leavener to give the cookies extra lightness. Then carefully stir in your flour mixture and your chocolate chips. So you can drop the dough by tablespoonfuls, or you may also use an ice cream scooper, which is number 20, to divide the dough and scoop out your cookie batter onto the prepared baking sheets. Bake cookies for 11 minutes or the bottom sides are barely starting to brown. Remove cookies from the oven and allow to cool for another 10 minutes before transferring to a rack to cool completely. You can have two versions for this cookie. For the chewy version, just follow the 11 minutes baking time, or if you want to have your cookies in a softer version, bake it for around 9 minutes. To purchase your favorite San Miguel products, visit the SMC Hub at thehub.sanmiguel.com.ph.